We are at the range to learn if our hand-loaded .30 carbine ammunition is any good. You must be fair and reasonable in your expectations with this weapon. The M1 carbine is not a long-range gun or a target rifle. I will be shooting at a target 75 meters away, standing and with no support. I also try to maintain a reasonable speed. If the bullets are on the target, I will be satisfied. First, I will shoot and clock 10 rounds of MAGTECH factory ammunition. Next, we will have 10 rounds of PPU factory ammo. And finally 10 rounds of reloads with an ancient bullet and 12 grains of Vihtavuori N110. I'll shoot another magazine of handloads to make sure there are no reliability issues. It's an interesting detail that with the fastest and most energetic ammo, the spent case ejects either straight up or slightly forward. I believe this is how it was meant to work. But with the slower PPU and especially the handloads, the case flies backwards and occasionally right into the forehead of the shooter, which is rather annoying. It can also be observed that the handloads produce a fair amount of smoke,